A good airplane seat can make or break a long flight, and while many people argue it's the aisle, it's the window, that's not the argument I'm going to be having here because that's really a matter of personal preference. I'm going to talk about whether it's better to sit in the front, the middle, or the rear of the plane because that also makes a big difference on your journey. The front of the plane is the best if you want the quietest seats because it's quieter towards the front. Also, if you've got a tight connection, you need to get off quickly. That's where you want to be because you'll be the first to get off. Although sometimes those seats can be next to the bathrooms or the kitchen, and they can be a little bit noisy and so not quiet. You got to check out the plane you're actually on. If you don't like turbulence, you don't like bumps, you're going to want to sit in the middle of the plane over the wings. Over the wings is going to be the least bumpy during turbulence. Now, the rear of the plane, I think actually has some of the best seats. Why? Because there's the least people back there. Because when the airplane fills the seats, they do it front to back. And so the back has the least people. And if you've got a row that has nobody next to you, those are going to be some of the best seats. So when you're thinking best seats, think in the back.